couple days ago, Christina came across a post on Facebook for a Cheeto that sold for over $1,300. It got us curious. What do people buy on eBay? So we did some more research about the topic, and what we found might make you question, what are people spending their money on? After seeing all the sold listings and talking to others about the topic, we figured we were the best people to go out and test this theory as to why Cheetos are selling for over thousands of dollars on eBay.
So we got in the car and drove to our nearest Slevin, picked up one bag of Flaming Hot Cheetos and one bag of normal crunchy Cheetos, took them back home and sorted them for hours, if not days. And what we discovered in this video will leave you speechless.
As we are still small YouTubers, funding for this video was very low, close to nothing. And we were not able to get Chester Cheetah to sponsor this video. Prick. So we need your help by liking this video and sharing it with everyone you possibly know so they are aware as well. What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Christina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video, daily vlogs. So today's video, as you guys saw from the intro, I hope you guys liked that little intro I did. Took a lot of work. But like we said in the intro, we came across this Cheeto fad type thing, so we really wanted to just try. So we're gonna set a camera up, a couple cameras up actually, and just dig through them and see if we find any.
Yeah, who knows? Hopefully we do. I mean, people have the craziest stuff listed, and Martin even said if we can't find anything, we're gonna find one that looks like a rock and just list it as super rare Cheeto that looks like rock.
Yeah. So we got a bag of Flaming Hot Cheetos and then normal Cheetos. So we're gonna put them on this plate, go through them one by one, and probably just eat the ones that look like normal Cheetos.
I have been high-key waiting for this all day.
So let's both dump them at the same time on here. Okay.
How are we gonna go through all of these Cheetos?
Here, I'm gonna throw mine back in the bag, honestly.
Oh, smart.
So it's probably gonna be a time lapse. So
we're gonna need to be really creative because
yeah, seriously.
this literally looks like,
I don't know, this one possibly could look like a fat seahorse.
what?
I think show the back camera.
A seahorse! This totally looks like a
seahorse!
seahorse!
She found the seahorse! One sold. Alright, that's pretty awesome. That literally has like the gills and everything.
Know.
I'm gonna get B-roll, show you guys on camera.
We'll make a pile on a paper towel over here.
Kinda looks like a dog. Look at it from my angle.
Oh wow! Just from that side.
Alright, the hot Cheetos, those are the ones. This is an eagle on a stand. Wow!
That totally does look like an eagle on a
If
bridge.
anything, this is the best one. fingers are so orange. Look at them on camera. Oh my goodness. Show the camera.
That's disgusting.
There we go.
It literally look purple. What is on the Flamin' Hot Cheetos to make it that color? Alright.
Let's get the crumbs out of
We
here.
made it through 2 bags.
2 bags, and we gotta go wash our hands before we do anything, before we talk to you guys or anything. We'll be right back.
Look at that! Ew! They're
Okay.
purple and greasy.
We'll be right back. Okay, so now that we got our hands all washed off, they're not too bad stained.
I know.
Yeah, hers are a lot worse than mine, but she had the Flaming Hot Cheetos. But we found about 21 Cheetos out of the 2 bags that we had. We found about 21 Cheetos that were maybe worth something, that we could maybe pick
looks
something
like
out of.
something.
Yeah. So I'll put the picture of the Cheeto right here, and then the picture of what we think it is, like either right here, or I'll put it somewhere. So this first one.
The cat.
Okay, so this one was like a cat, like sitting upwards or whatever, and it had like a tail. So we'll list this one up. We're gonna list these for probably all like maybe like 1,000.
Astronomical prices.
Literally just crazy. What is this one?
You put it there. I didn't do any of the.
All right, we found 20. This one, oh, this was like Squidward.
Oh yeah, Squid.
So
we don't know.
not bad. Maybe we can go for 2,000. What was this one? Oh, this was like a person holding something up.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Or it
Pretty
looks
cool.
like
It's got like
they're
a weird face.
They're like doing this.
A dab.
Not a dab.
What is this one?
A seahorse.
This was like the second seahorse that we found.
Yeah.
So really cool.
Totally looks like a seahorse. This was the first seahorse I found that has all of its movements and
Yeah.
shapes to
And
it.
it's got like feels to it.
Yeah.
This was a rock
This
that I
was-
wanted to.
yeah.
I said I have to find at least one rock.
Yes. found many rocks actually, but we just kept finding better ones.
I think we're just having more fun than what we could actually make or what anybody has ever done with this.
Yes.
We're just having fun. Wow, Finn almost just ate it out of my hand.
I know, this one's the good one.
This was the best one. Yeah, so this was like the eagle that we found on like a stand. Finn almost ate it again. Okay, I'm putting it down. That one's like an eagle on a stand, really cool.
Yeah.
And so we're hoping that one can go for like 1,000 to 10,000. What was this one? Oh, this was like an angel.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What was this one? Wait, it was the
someone.
people.
Yeah, people kissing.
Yeah. Oh, it was the dragon.
Oh.
I forgot we're not showing them. Oh no. So that one was a dragon.
What is this one?
Oh, it was the dog.
Oh yeah, this is like a dog.
Kind of.
The
penguin.
Oh yeah, this was a penguin.
Another seahorse.
I think this was a seahorse that I got. Or it was a seahorse. A really crappy one. The human leg.
Oh yeah.
That was a human leg. What is this one? Oh, Dragon Ball Z. That had his hair. I've never seen it either. It looked like one character though. Oh, it's like something holding something, like a dog or a bear holding something.
Yeah.
I don't know how. Google Images is gonna really have to come in clutch for this video.
This is a little bear. Tiny head, big butt.
Tiniest thing.
Oh, this was my male genital one.
Okay. Oh, this was the claw.
Yeah, Mr. Crab's claw.
Mr. Crab's claw. Or a wrench.
This was a very realistic looking chicken wing.
Yeah, this really does look like a real chicken wing. So that was the last one.
Yeah.
So we're gonna actually get to listing some of these.
Yes.
All 20 of these, I guess.
By the time you see this video, all of these will be listed on our store, so you can go check them out.
Yeah, so we have our links all throughout our YouTube and everything, so you can definitely check out our store.
Just to have a good laugh.
Yeah. So we're pretty much gonna wrap it up, end the video. I mean, we're gonna get to these listings. If you do wanna see more to this video in like a series 2 of like maybe what sold of the Cheetos.
Have the Cheetos sold.
Or maybe how we did our listings, or if you just wanna know more about it, let us know down below.
Are we even gonna, a collectible?
Yeah, I don't know. It's just like a rare piece. So that was our video. We got all of our Cheetos. We really appreciate you guys watching this. I know it was kind of like a sillier video, but we saw it on eBay and we just really wanted to see if we could do that.
Shout out to Dominic the Primetime Treasure Hunter for showing us that Cheeto that sold that looked like the dragon.
Yeah, here's the first one, the dragon.
Because if it wasn't for that, I would have never saw any of this.
So thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate you all. Make sure to smash that like button if you like this video. Leave a comment down below if you had any laughs or if you just want to share some love. We'd really appreciate that.
Yes.
So till next video, till tomorrow, peace guys, go crush it. So we realized that we actually didn't come to a conclusion at all for this video.
So in conclusion, it's probably not worth it to buy 2 bags of Cheetos and sort through them for hours and try to find Cheetos that look like something because, yeah.
It's not really that worth it.
Yeah, and I'm sure most people don't intentionally buy bags of Cheetos to do this. It was just something fun we wanted to do, but definitely not worth your time to purposely do it. If you happen to stumble across one that looks like Beyonce, keep it.
Yeah, while you're eating it. But yeah, so that's like the truth to the mystery of why they're selling on eBay. So we hope you guys enjoyed.